This is short answer type question. This is sum number 16 part 1 chapter number 9 midpoint theorem. In the triangle ABC, AD and BE are two medians and DF parallel to BE meets AC at the point F. If the length of the side AC is 8 cm, then let us write the length of the side CF. Now here this is the diagram. In triangle ABC, AD this is median and BE this is also median. Now after that, DF parallel to BE meets AC at point F and AC equal to 8 cm. This is AC 8 cm. Find CF. Now here BE is median. And what is median? Median is always known from any triangle, from any vertex of the triangle. Draw a straight line on the opposite sides midpoint. So therefore this is the midpoint. So therefore E is midpoint of AC. Therefore EC equal to 8 by 2 equal to 4 centimeter. Now in triangle BEC, in this triangle BEC, D is midpoint of BC. Why? Same as AD is the median. If AD is the median, therefore D is the midpoint of BC. So D is the midpoint of BC and DF parallel to BE, this is given, BE parallel to DF. So therefore we can say F is the midpoint by converse midpoint theorem. By converse midpoint. So if F is the midpoint of converse midpoint theorem, we can say this CF equal to half of CE or EC, and we know the value of EC 4 centimeter. Half into 4 equal to 2 centimeter. So the CF is 2 centimeter. Now this is sum number 2. In the triangle ABC, the midpoints of BC, CA and AB are P, Q and R respectively. If AC equal to 21 centimeter, BC equal to 29 centimeter and AB equal to 30 centimeter, then let us write the perimeter of the quadrilateral ARPQ. Now here is the diagram. We know this AC side is 21 centimeter, BC is 29, AB is 30 centimeter, and these are the midpoints P, Q and R. So now if AC is 21 centimeter and Q is the midpoint of AC, so therefore AQ equal to half of AC equal to half of 21 centimeter equal to 10.5 centimeter. The same as AB equal to 30 centimeter and R is the midpoint, so therefore AR equal to half of AB. So AR equal to half of AB, and the value of AB is 30 centimeter, so therefore AR is 15 centimeter. Now after that we have to find the value of PQ and the value of PR. Now in triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, P is the midpoint, P and Q is midpoint of BC and AC. P is the midpoint of BC and Q is the midpoint of AC. So therefore PQ equal to half of AB and PQ parallel to AB by midpoint theorem. We know that theorem number 20. So if PQ equal to half AB, so therefore PQ AB means 30 centimeter, half into 30 equal to 15 centimeter. Similarly, PR equal to half of AC. Similarly, we say that PR, if this is a triangle, P is the midpoint of BC and R is the midpoint of AB, therefore PR, by midpoint theorem we say that PR is parallel to AC and PR equal to half of AC. So therefore PR equal to half of AC by midpoint theorem. By midpoint theorem. So therefore we can say PR equal to half of AC means 21 centimeter. So 21 equal to 10.5 centimeter. So therefore perimeter of ARPQ, AR plus AQ plus PQ plus PR, and we know the values. AR means 15 centimeter, AQ means 10.5 centimeter, PQ means 15 centimeter, PR means 10.5 centimeter. If we add all of this, we get 15 plus 15 30, 10.5 plus 10.5 21, 21 plus 30 equal to 51 centimeter. So therefore the perimeter is 51 centimeter. In the triangle ABC, this is sum number 16 part 3. In the triangle ABC, D is any point on the side AC. The midpoints of AP, BC, AD and DC are P, Q, XY respectively. Px equal to 5 centimeter. We have to find the value of Qy. Now here, this is the diagram. This is ABC. P is the midpoint of AB. Q is the midpoint of BC. Y is midpoint of CD and X is midpoint of AD. This is given. Now, first of all, in triangle ABD, midpoint of AB and AD are P and X. In this triangle ABD, P is the midpoint of AB and X is the midpoint of AD. So therefore we can say PX equal to half of BD by midpoint theorem. We know that by midpoint theorem. Now in triangle BCD, midpoint of BC and CD, Q are Q and Y. So therefore Qy equal to half of BD. In this triangle BDC, Q is the midpoint of BC and Y is the midpoint of CD. So therefore Qy equal to half of BD by midpoint theorem. So therefore we can say that Px equal to half BD and Qy equal to half BD. Both are equal to half BD. So therefore Px equal to Qy equal to 5 centimeter. We know the value of Px, which is given as 5 centimeter in the question. So therefore Qy equal to 5 centimeter.